Hello, Dullbedsitblogger here, and it's a bit nippy today, nice and sunny, but as they say. So just finished my Friday job, just walking home, and I'm walking across the level at the moment, which is local park, which has skate park and green area and dog shit bins and stuff like that, which is quite nice. So what's happened? Something I've forgotten to mention is Vantel has reviewed my channel, which is brilliant. So check the annotation to see Vantel review my channel, and I think he's fairly fair in what he said. I shall take some of the advice on and see what I do with it. Something else that's happening, the Silverman Awards show, I think Monday is when it's going to come up, and at this very moment my lovely girlfriend is looking at the video responses to see who wins the poster. Not the poster, the painting. So she's in strict conversation at the moment as a judge, just working out who's going to win. So that'd be cool. And yeah, that's it for today. So I'm going to go home and get